In today's video, I'm going to cover how to create a new sales ledger account. To do this, we're going to select accounts from the main menu, and then we're going to select sales ledger. From here, we could search for our customer up at the top, but in this example, we're just going to create a new sales ledger record. So to do this, we're going to click on new, and then we're going to enter the name. We can then enter the address. We can do this by populating the postcode. Once we've entered the postcode, we can click into the house number or name field. The address will then pre-populate, and then we can enter the house number or name to finish off the address. We can enter any additional information such as the telephone number, an email address. If the customer wants to receive statements by email, then we can just tick this box. We can also enter additional information such as the mobile number, etc. We can also quickly print a statement if there was any transactions on this customer account. We'll now have a quick look at the terms. So we have different account statuses. So we've got open, closed, suspended, and auto suspended. By default, the system will default to open, but we can also manually set an account to closed if we don't want it to be used anymore. We can also delete the account if we needed to. We can set a credit limit, so I could say, for example, this customer cannot have more than £500 on their account. So if they already had £400 worth of invoices on their account, and we try to invoice another 200, the system wouldn't allow us as that goes over their current credit limit. By default, the account type is normal external. We could use internal if it needed to be an internal account and we wanted to clear those internal invoices to a specific expense nominal. We could also set it up as an insurance account if it needed to be used through the workshop for insurance purposes. We could also configure it as a lease company, once again if it needs to be used through the workshop as a lease company. We've got a few other options in here, so we can send out the statements, and we could also opt into sending the individual invoices along with the statement. We don't usually have to populate this section if it's an ordinary account. We can just normally leave it as its default, which is normal external account. Once we're happy with the sales ledger account, we can just select save up at the top.